Hello guys, welcome to Nifty Trader. Today is 10th June. I will give you a brief of what happened today and what happened yesterday. Okay? So मैंने आपको कल बोला था कि देखिए 7 जून का रेफरेंस कैंडल पहला 1 मिनट का एंड देन 8 जून का रेफरेंस कैंडल. दीज आर बिग गाइस. आप देखोगे तो वो सेम जगह में उसका ओपनिंग है अराउंड 486 एंड इट गॉट अ कंप्लीट रिजेक्शन. सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड ये 486 का लेवल के ऊपर ये तो सस्टेन नहीं कर रहा है, राइट. एवरी टाइम इट हिट्स 480 इट्स कम बैक, इट कम्स बैक, राइट. दिस इज फर्स्ट कैंडल, comes back. 8 June first candle comes back, rejection. Okay, now again yesterday it closed around 486 level. This was a pure golden opportunity for you to take a short trade. Okay, because the risk reward is for 20 points. You are already sitting in a resistance zone and your risk reward is 20 points. But I can understand many people are not comfortable in this market to take a short trade or a long trade, basically for overnight positions, because overnight position में लोगों को हंट किया जा रहा है एंड बाहर फेंका जा रहा है ट्रेड से. ओके, सो ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. बियर मार्केट इज लाइक दैट ओनली. इधर बियर रैलीज आर वेरी हार्ड टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड कहाँ तक जाएगा किसी को समझ भी नहीं आता. तो एनीवे, but we need to keep tracking this high seller zones. So we know for sure that 486 levels is high seller zone, right. This zone would be high seller zone. Okay, now today market gap down almost 150 points. Okay, now let's see what happened. It broke yesterday support. Okay, it broke yesterday support. It came here around 922 and got a clear rejection. Now how you would have traded? Now please see, it is getting rejection, strong rejection from 320 level. You can see that ये मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था बहुत लंबा ऊपर के तरफ और नीचे के तरफ एक्सटेंशन देता है गैप अप के साथ या गैप डाउन के साथ. तो वो बेसिकली ट्रैप करके ऊपर के लेवल को जो लोग बायर्स थे उनको ट्रैप करके गैप डाउन देता है, तो वो उस तरफ आता ही नहीं, बिकॉज more and more people are covering their long positions and it creates a very massive downward movement. Okay, so यही हुआ. अगर आप इधर लॉन्ग करते हो तो आपसे ज़्यादा बेवकूफ़ और कोई नहीं है, और ना भी होना चाहिए, क्योंकि इधर से आप लॉन्ग हो तो आपका कोई रिस्क रिवॉर्ड रेशियो है नहीं. एनीवे, आई विल बी लिटिल हर्श, बिकॉज मैं हर्श होऊंगा तभी आप सीखेंगे, तभी आप समझेंगे. So anyway, this is not a good area for you to take a short trade, right? Because you are still not sure. This is support zone, so maybe it is a pullback rally. Okay, so we are not sure, so we will ignore this zone for now. Now what happens is, you can see market is respecting this line. This is 16,300. It makes a double top here, right? Now if you take a trade here around 600 1600 300 levels, you are a great man, great trader, but not many people can take that trade. So then what you will do? What is the low? Low is 243. Okay, so the moment it breaks yesterday low 243, you can take a trade. See, this is a you short around 240 levels, right? How do you take that shot? You wait for the price to give a confirmation. Again you see price makes a double tap here. Okay, you wait for the price to come here and you short in this rejection, knowing that there is a double top, around 255 levels and 250 levels, and it has already broken the low here, right? So you take a short around 1238, and you get a point of 68 points. Okay, so today I won't say it's a trending day or it's a market where you can earn 200 points, 250 points. People who are basically taking a trade here around 1600 300 level, around 600 1600 300 level, their stop losses will be day high. And let's see from 300 what is with the, it's around 22 points, which is also a good trade. बट नॉट मेनी पीपल, ये हिंडसाइट में ये बोलना बहुत इजी है कि 16,300 से मार्केट ने रिजेक्ट किया तो ये इधर से तो आपको शॉर्ट करना चाहिए था, लेकिन आपको पता नहीं है 16,300 में मार्केट ने एक बार इधर बॉटम बनाया, इधर बनाया, देन इधर बनाया, आपको लग ही सकता है कि यार रिजेक्शन आ रहा है, प्राइस ऑब्जर्वेशन हो रहा है, ऊपर चला। अगर आपके पास ऑर्डर फ्लो नहीं है तो, अगर ऑर्डर फ्लो है तो इट बिकम्स वेरी इजियर टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एक्चुअली हो क्या रहा है मार्केट में, राइट। सो फॉर मी आई वॉज प्रिटी श्योर अराउंड 1600 300 कि मैं इधर शॉर्ट कर सकता हूँ, और मैं डे हाई तक भी नहीं, डे हाई का मैंने आपको बोला है 25-30 पॉइंट का रखता हूँ, तो मैं 25-30 पॉइंट का स्टॉप लॉस रखता अराउंड 16,330 के करीब। ओके, एंड शॉर्ट चला रहा था 16,300 में। सो आप देखते हैं ऑर्डर फ्लो क्या बोल रहे हैं। लेट्स सी, इट्स अ 15 मिनट चार्ट, एंड आप देखिए आज मार्केट ने तगड़ा रिवर्सल दिया फर्स्ट कैंडल में, गैप अप होते ही, गैप डाउन होते ही देयर आर स्ट्रॉन्ग डेल्टा मूव्स, एंड यू कैन सी 26,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स का सेलिंग आया है, सेलिंग वॉल्यूम है, 21,000 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स का बाइंग वॉल्यूम है, एंड क्यूमुलेटिव डेल्टा इज 4.88 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स विच इज ही गुड। नाउ let's see what happens from 9:15 to 11. Okay, market kind of tries to move up, and you see, if you can mark this level, look at the volume, high volume node levels are present, all are here only, right? So this 9k level, if I say this 9k is huge level, then there is दिस 1k 8k लेवल, देर आर नेगेटिव डेल्टा 8k में। देखिए फर्स्ट कैंडल में सेलिंग हुआ है 8k वॉल्यूम, एंड नेगेटिव डेल्टा इज नेगेटिव 1.1 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, और एंड आप देख रहे हो कि प्राइस उधर जा रहा है, एंड इट काइंड ऑफ टेक्स अ रिजेक्शन फ्रॉम दिस लेवल। ओके, एंड द रिजेक्शन इज कमिंग एट 16,300 फ्यूचर लेवल। ओके, सो आप अगर इजीली इधर ट्रेड ले सकते हो ये देखने के बाद कि sellers are dominating and protecting this 300 level, because the volume, look at the volume here, 8k 9k 7.3k, so people have created massive shorts around these zones for today. Okay, now you see a rejection here, again a rejection till 200 and closing around 197 190 200. Okay, so this is how the market today reacted. Today, on the basis of 15 minutes, the short would have been when you see that there is a rejection coming in from 10:30 to 11, you would have shorted here, because some sellers are protecting. See, these levels are being protected, right? Because look at the volume around this here. See, the first 15-minute candle, there is so much shorting has been done, so these guys want to protect these levels, and you see clear rejection, and you correlate this with spot chart, and you can see that around 10:50 am, around 11, close to 11 am, there is clear rejection from these levels, 16,300 levels, and accordingly you take a short. You can take a short here also, you can take a short here also, 274 levels, it's a clear short. Okay, but this short I'll advance against it, because in hindsight these kind of shorts are fabulous looking, but your risk reward is not good, so don't take this short. If you are doing a short at 16,300, then I can understand this is a correct short, because your stop loss is day high, which is 25 points. That is fine. But this short, why this short is not good? If you give 16,300 as a day high, there are high chance it can come and create a triple top also and take your SL. And if you keep day high from this level, then your short risk reward is too huge, right? Your risk is 50 points, and 50 points for if you are playing good quantity, it is too big. So this is not a good short, this one. So try to avoid this kind of setups. Try to avoid this kind of setup. Always try to do shorting like this or this, based on order flow. If you are using order flow, because order flow में आप देखिए 15 मिनट को हटा देता हूँ, अगर मैं 5 मिनट में लेता हूँ. So let me come back, see what is happening here. Market opens, it gives a rejection, and someone is shorting big. There is 4k contracts around 16,287. Okay, 16,287 to 90 level is a big level for today, because someone shorted huge around this level. So market, what it does, it consolidates around this level. See, it got rejected here from 291 levels around 950. Then again it went down, and then it tried to take down this 4k zone by touching 305. No, sorry, 298. So 291, big seller is sitting, and see what happens. It consolidates for some time, for 5 to 10 minutes it consolidates, and big rejection. Remember this volume, this is important for your reference level. There are 4k volume and 1.1k shorting. So see, the selling volume is here 8 point. For the total candle, the selling volume here is 8,000 contracts, more than 8,000 contracts. So किसी ने 8,000 contracts का sell किया है, volume बना है, and buying is only 4,400, and it doesn't matter. What matters is कि किसका strength है और कितना ज़्यादा strength है. And आप देखोगे तो ये एक झटके में 3,000 contracts का net delta दिया है, and cumulative delta is 5,000 contracts. So which is huge, right? And then you see that buyers are so less. I mean, there is no strength. 353 contracts, then again 73, 217, 210. This is consolidation going on. This is fight going on. They are trying to come back, just building small positions. Sellers are building small position and letting buyers take up the price, so that they can again trap on the higher level. Even though market को उतना आज मौका नहीं मिला को ऊपर जाने का, sellers were in a unit in a hurry, right? So उन्होंने फर्स्ट कैंडल तक का भी जाने के लिए मौका नहीं दिया, डे हाई तक जाने के लिए भी मौका नहीं दिया. Again around 955 selling came and market pushed down till 250. Then again उन्होंने वो 291, 296 का जगह तक मार्केट को जाने दिया. There was some consolidation, and see again someone pushed down the price, and after I think 11:30 there was no looking back. There was huge selling. 11:40 huge selling, and market came down around 200 levels, and then again 184 levels from future it made a low. So in my belief, market is not done yet. Okay, it is coming down. तो लॉन्ग के लिए तो अभी सोचना ही मत. आप look for short opportunities, because this is broken. See, this support is broken now. Now they will not give chance to buyers, right? The market will be in a hurry to fall, because they have trapped enough buyers on the upper side. Now it is in the mood of range extension. So you might see further gap downs, further lower lows. Yeah, even 15,700 levels. I am not expecting a major push on the upper side. So be careful, don't go for longs, and we should be looking for good risk reward short positions. P लीजिए या फिर C short कीजिए. Best would be to short C or future short कीजिए. this is it from my side. Thank you guys.